What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. This video I want to show you how to find out the derivative of secant x squared times tan x squared. We need to find f prime x. We know the derivative of secant x is secant x times tan x. Derivative of tan x is secant squared x, or 1 plus tan squared x, or 1 over cosine squared x. And we can say secant u, the derivative of secant u is u prime times secant u times tan u. And the derivative of tan u, when u is a function of x, is u prime times secant squared u, or u prime times 1 plus tan squared u, or u prime times 1 over cosine to the power of 2u. Now let's go back to the function secant x squared times tan x squared. We need to use product rule. Product rule is saying that u times v, derivative of u times v is u prime v plus u v prime. So we need to say the derivative of x squared, based on that, secant x squared is going to be u prime secant u times tan u, which will be 2x times secant x squared times tan x squared. V is tan x squared plus uv prime. U is secant x squared. V prime is tan x squared, which will be 2x times secant squared of x squared. So now this is the final function. We can just simplify it. 2x and 2x we can factor it. We can factor secant x squared. We have both sides, both parts, secant, just secant x squared. And then the rest will be tan squared of x squared plus secant squared of x squared. So basically that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra help. You can just take a look at them. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, you can have access to many other videos regarding differentiation, integration, and other topics in calculus, math, and chemistry and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.